Welcome to the Humdard Teach channel. In this video you will learn the general science multiple choice questions MCQs of biology, chemistry, physics and atmospheric studies. Part 3. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? A. River water. B. Canal water. C. Sea water. D. Water in a lake. Correct answer is seawater. The nearest planet to the Earth is A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Moon. Correct answer is Venus. The planet that moves round the Sun at the highest speed is A. Jupiter. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Correct answer is Mercury. GPS is an abbreviation for A. Global Pole System. B. Global Polysiliconium Store. C. Global Positioning System. D. Global Position Structure. Correct answer is Global Positioning System. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the A. Gain of electrons. B. Loss of electrons. C. Gain of protons. D. Loss of protons. Correct answer is loss of electrons. Thanks for watching.